Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check battery health in Redmi 13C device. Guys, basically we don't have any default setting to check the battery health like an iPhone, but we can use a trick to check battery health. All you guys have to do just go to settings and then go to about phone. After that, we have detail info and specs. So in this window, we have a CPU option. So just click 5 to 6 times on a CPU so that the bug report will be is now start creating. So guys, once bug report created, all you guys have to do tap and then all you guys have to do just click bug report and then click extract. Now just select internal shared storage and then go to document and extract here. So now finishing extract, all you guys have to do now just click bug report and then go down. So bug report Redmi 13C, just tap here and then select WPS compression. So all you guys have to do, see this type of interface, just select bug report Gale Global. So the file is now extracting and then click on open document. Since the file is now loading at the top of the site, so just wait for a second. Okay, since the file complete, all you guys have to do just go to tools and then click on view and search for battery capacity here and then search it so that the estimated battery capacity is, so that this page comes. Now the estimated battery capacity is the default battery capacity of Redmi 13C device, and last learned battery capacity is right now the health of the battery. So all you guys have to do just remember last learned battery capacity 4899 and then go to calculator, just enter 4899 and then divided by the default battery capacity means 5000 and multiply it by 100. So this is the formula of taking out the battery health. It's mean my Redmi 13C device battery health is 97.98%. So this is how we can calculate or take out the battery health in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.